Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Focus AC. We will start with the simplest checks. First, locate your fuse boxes. One is typically under the hood and another inside the cabin. Check the AC-related fuses, like the 15-amp F27 for the compressor clutch and the associated relay. A quick visual inspection can reveal a blown fuse, which is a common and easy fix. This initial step can save you time and money. If fuses and relays are good, the next step is to check your refrigerant level. Low refrigerant is a frequent culprit for warm air. You can purchase an AC recharge kit with a pressure gauge. Connect it to the low-side service port, usually found near the firewall. If the pressure is low, carefully add refrigerant. Also, inspect AC lines for oily residue, which indicates a leak, or use a UV dye kit for detection. The AC compressor and its clutch are vital for cooling. When you turn on your AC, listen for a distinct click as the clutch engages the compressor. If you hear no click, the clutch might not be engaging. You can test the clutch coil for continuity using a multimeter. A faulty clutch or a seized compressor will prevent the system from circulating refrigerant, leading to no cold air. Beyond these common issues, consider other components. A blend door actuator, located behind the dashboard, can fail, causing air to be stuck on hot or cold. Also, a dirty cabin air filter can severely restrict airflow. If you've checked these basic items and your AC still isn't blowing cold, it's wise to consult a certified mechanic. They have specialized tools for deeper diagnostics and complex repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.